23B plus D. If that means something to you, you're running a PRI. And this video is for you. A PRI can still work fine, especially if it's already installed and supported. But the infrastructure underneath it is being phased out, whether anyone told you that or not. Let's get technical for 3 minutes and talk about why. A PRI runs on a T1 circuit. That's 1.544 megabits per second, split into 24 time slots of 64 kilobits each. 23 of those become B channels, carrying your voice. One becomes the D channel, handling signaling, call setup, caller ID, all of it, separate from the audio. That D channel was the real innovation. Out-of-band signaling using Q.931, instead of the old robbed bit signaling mixed into the audio itself. For its era, genuinely solid engineering. 24 calls on one circuit, fast setup, clean caller ID. Here's the problem. That circuit terminates through a CSU or DSU into a PBX card. Physical hardware at one location. No PRI circuit fails over to another site on its own. You'd have to build that redundancy by hand. And the copper and TDM infrastructure underneath it is being actively retired. The FCC has spent a decade streamlining the rules that let carriers walk away from it. New PRI installs take longer to get. The PBX hardware built to terminate these circuits is aging out of manufacturer support too. When a card fails on a system nobody makes anymore, good luck. Capacity's fixed too. 23 channels or 46. No in between, no matter what your actual calling pattern looks like. Hosted VoIP moves that call control off your premises entirely. No fixed circuit, no PBX card to fail. Capacity adjusts to how you actually call, not a hard-coded channel count. And if your office goes dark, calls can reroute to mobile apps or another site. Something a PRI circuit was never built to do on its own. The trade-off shifts to your local network and internet connection instead. That's a real dependency too, just a different one than a copper loop. I'll be straight with you. If you've got a newer, well-supported PBX that's paid off and doing its job, PRI can hold on for a while longer. This isn't about scaring everyone off it overnight. It's about knowing exactly what you're depending on and for how much longer that's realistic. Carolina Digital Phone has moved businesses off legacy PRI and PBX systems since 2000. If you want a straight technical answer about your specific setup, not a sales pitch, call us. The number's on your screen. Consult with the experts at carolinadigitalphone.com. We are here to help your business grow. Call 336-544-4000.